Today we will learn the story of Uncle B.E. B means to be. Uncle B.E. had 3 children. They are am, is, are. The first word we have is am. We use it when we talk about ourselves, like when we say, I am Miriam. The second word is. We use it when we talk about a person. Someone like her, Sarah, we say, she is Sarah. And finally, we have are. We use it when we talk about more than one person or thing, like they are friends. I am, she is, they are. As we saw, am is used with I, is used with she, he, and it, and are is used with we and they. Now it's your turn to write a sentence using am, is, and are. And we will learn more together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more fun educational videos. Thank you for watching.